In this video, you will learn how to make deposits in QuickBooks. Making deposits in QuickBooks is a simple process, so follow these steps. First, log into your QuickBooks online account using your credentials. From the left hand side, click on the plus button. Under the other section, select bank deposit. Then, in the bank deposit screen, you will first need to select the bank account where the deposit was made, such as checking or savings account. Then, enter the deposit information, such as the date of the deposit, received from, and also received to column. Select the name of the customer, vendor, or other payee that whom received the deposit. For example, if the deposit is for a customer payment, you might choose account receivable or an income account. Enter the amount of deposits in the amount column. If it's a split deposit, part-time income or part-time loan, you can add multiple line items. Additionally, payment information. Make sure your credit or debit card or bank transfer is connected. After that, scroll down to the attachment section. Click Attach File to upload any relevant documents. Then, click Save and Close to finalize the deposit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.